Today we are going to talk about Chateau de Lala and specifically we're gonna talk about the relationship between Stephanie, Jarvis and Philip, and so it's really important to know this about their marriage. We're gonna talk about it. Are they actually getting married, or is this just a civil partnership that they may already be in? So let's delve a little bit into this. What is a civil partnership in France? So a civil partnership will give you some of the benefits of marriage, including a joint tax status without some of the drawbacks of a marriage. So if you decide to get a separation, the assets that each person brings into the wedding or into the marriage goes to the person who brought them into the marriage, and so that is a little different than in a divorce. Also, this can be dissolved by only one party. Only one person has to agree to break this off, and then they get a 90-day notice to the other person in the relationship, and that is it. And so people are wondering if this is what happened, because Stephanie obviously has a lot of assets that she will be bringing into the marriage, and they're kind of wondering about Philip's place and all of this, and I think that it makes sense that it's actually more partnership than a marriage. Civil partnerships are actually a lot more common in France. If you do some research, you will find that there are a lot more civil partnerships there than there are official marriages, and that is just because of the way that they are easier to dissolve and to handle. And so I'm wondering what you guys all think of this. Do you think that the people at Juland are actually just going to enter into a civil partnership, or already have and call a marriage? Also news on this front. The marriage is going to be occurring in 2026. There will hopefully be the chapel done until then. They'll be ready to advertise all of those beautiful stars on the ceiling and advertise their beautiful ability to offer dinner and all of that for you. Fee. And they might even have guests come to their wedding from their Patreon.